ba malalaman if ang given sequence ay considered na finite sequence or infinite sequence? Kung gusto mong malaman, panoorin mo ang video na ito. Okay, let's start with finite sequence. We have here the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sa pinakamabilis at pinakamadaling paraan ng pagpapaliwanag, ang finite sequence ay klase ng sequence na may katapusan, may ending. Kaya mong ma-identify yung last term. Now, looking at the sequence, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ano ang last term natin? Ang last term natin ay 5. Ibig sabihin, yan na yung end. Wala nang susunod pa sa sequence. That's why it is called finite sequence. Now, on the other hand, infinite sequence has no ending. Infinity. Wala siyang katapusan. Looking at the sequence, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have these 3 dots. Yung tinatawag nating ellipsis, which signifies that there are still more numbers after 5. And yung ending niya ay hindi natin alam. Okay, let's try to identify if yung mga sequences na to ay finite or infinite. Okay, let's try number 1. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Dahil we can identify the last term which is 12, ibig sabihin ito ay correct, finite. Ang dali na lang, di ba? How about this one? We have here 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on and so forth. So ito, may ellipsis tayo, which signifies that there's still more numbers after 12. So, anong klase siya? Finite or infinite? Correct, infinite. Very good. How about number 3? We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here the ellipsis and then we have 100. Oh, dito, maraming mali dito. I-comment nyo sa comment section nyo kung tama kayo sa sagot nyo dito or hindi, ah. Okay, what's the answer? Correct. It is finite. Why? Even though we have ellipsis here, we still have this 100 that tells you na yung sequence natin is until 100. This one is a finite sequence. Okay? Now, kung natuto kayo sa video na ito, please comment yan sa ating comment section and please share our videos. And don't forget to follow for more math videos. Bye!